Happy New Year. GBTAC 2021 Solemn Assembly is here. Please join us starting Monday, January 4th through Friday, January 8th for a week of fasting and praying. During our fast, we will be focusing on a theme each day. We ask you to pray and meditate on the following scriptures. Day 1, health and healing. Day 2, wealth and finances. Day 3, family and soul winning. Day 4, promotions and occupations. And day 5, our church ministries, church family, bishop, and first lady. We ask you that in addition to focusing on the following scriptures and themes, that you join us each evening for prayer. More information about each day is provided on our Instagram page. We believe that if you join us, you will be blessed. So just to recap, the fast will begin January 4th at midnight. We will be fasting for 5 days. We will fast each day until 4 p.m. Each fast will begin at midnight. Each day of the fast, there is a theme we would like you to pray and meditate on. And we've shared some scriptures on our social media sites that we would like you to read. As you experience God during the fast, please share your testimonies with us. You can email us at gbtac.media@gmail.com or send us a DM on Facebook or Instagram. We will be praying each evening. More information about our prayer line is available. Again, here's the recap, and we look forward to hearing about your awesome week of fasting and praying.